Good morning, students. I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir from Green Valley English School. So, student, how are you all? I hope you will be good and healthy at your home, student. So, as I had started your chapter Python, so student, in this video, I will discuss about the types of control structure. So student, let us start our topic, types of control structure. So student, next heading is types of control structure. In a computer program, statements are generally executed in a sequential manner. Means while you type the program in Python language, so students, every statements are executed from top to bottom, line by line. However, at the times the user may need to change this order of executions by repeating or skipping the execution of the few statement students. So subject to a given condition, the flow of execution is altered by the use of control statement students. So there are three different type of control statement which is used to transfer the control of executions of the program. First is sequential statement students. So in a sequential construct, the statements in a programs are executed in a sequential order where one statement is followed by other with no possibility of branching off to another action students. For example, as you can see here, one program is given to calculate the area of the rectangle. So student, first of all we enter the length and breadth of the rectangle, then it calculate the area and print the result students. So in this program the statements are executed from top to bottom in a order students without any branching. Second is conditional statement students. So the conditional statement check the condition and execute the statement according to given the condition students. Conditional statement cause the program control to transfer to a specific location depending on the outcome of the conditional expression students. Here every decision involves a choice between the two alternatives, yes and no result students. For examples, let us try to understand this concept with a simple example. Suppose you want to withdraw some money from the ATM. You will be allowed to withdraw the money only if you enter the correct PIN number. Student, if correct PIN is entered, then you can withdraw the money. Otherwise, if incorrect PIN is entered, then you cannot withdraw the money. So students, as in this program you observe that here are two choice that will be executed on the basis of the condition, given condition. Third is iterative statement students. These statements is used to repeat a set of statement for a specific number of times as long as the given condition is true. When the given condition become false students, the controls come out of the loop and repetition is stopped. For example, student, the loop will be repeated for 10 times till the sum of the 10 natural numbers are calculated. So students, for the repetition of the set of statements, we use the different statements like for next loop, while when loop, and etc. About this we shall discuss about in next chapter, student. So thank you for watching my video.